Hello students, I Nidhi Ahuja, welcome you all. Now we are going to discuss a new topic, that is multiples and factors. Children, let us understand what are multiples and what are factors. Multiples. Multiple, by the word itself you can understand, which we get after multiplication, right? For example, if somebody asks you to find out the multiples of a given number, how are you going to find out? Always remember that to find out the multiples, like if you have to find out the multiples of a number, of any number, what is the formula? That is number, that number which they have asked you to find out, multiply by counting numbers. Counting numbers starts from 0 and they are unlimited, right? Now for example, if I say find out the multiples of 4, so what you'll say? Multiples of 4 are 4 multiply by 1, that is the first counting number, 4, then by 2, then by 3, 4, and so on. Like if you multiply by 100, it becomes 400 and so on. So multiples of 4 are these, they are unlimited. Why multiples are unlimited? Because we know the counting numbers are unlimited. Right? What we have done, we just multiply a number with a counting number. First counting number 1, we multiply by 1, we get 4. Next is 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. Right? Similarly, if somebody asks you to find out the multiples of 12. So what are the multiples of 12? That is 1, if we multiply by 1, 12, 2, 24, 3, 36, 4, 48 and so on. Now children, what have you observed after seeing these multiples? First thing is that multiples are unlimited, right? We'll say they are unlimited, not fixed. Why they are unlimited? Because counting numbers are unlimited. You'll keep on multiplying, you'll get the multiple, right? If we say 4 multiply 6 is 24. So 24 is a multiple of 4 and 6. Because it comes in the table of 4 also and 6 also, right? Next, what we have observed, the second point which you observed is that the smallest multiple of any number is the number itself. Like here, the smallest multiple of 4 is 4 and the smallest multiple of 12 is 12. So the smallest multiple is the number itself, right? Third thing which we observed is we can't find out the greatest multiple. Can you find out the greatest counting number? No. In a similar way, we cannot find out the greatest multiple. We can find out the smallest because we know that is the number itself. If somebody asks you what is the smallest multiple of 97, that will be 97 only. Next is, you can see that the multiples are either equal or greater than the given number. They are either equal or greater than the given number, right? Understood everyone? What are multiples? How we get the multiple? Clear everyone? So if somebody says that 4 multiply 8 is 32. So means 32 is the multiple of 8 and 4 also. Clear everybody? I hope you understood multiples. Now let us come and understand factors. So factors, the factors are the divisors, the exact divisor. Now what are exact divisor? Exact divisor means the number which divides the given number completely, is leaving remainder as 0. So here we'll write down the factors are complete divisors. Clear? Factors are complete divisors. If suppose I ask you to find out the factors of a number, say, I'll give you example. Let us find out the factors of 16. Right? How to find out the factors? Remember, understand. It comes in the table of 1 when 16s are. It comes in the table of 2. Yes, it's an even number. 8s are. It comes in the table of 3? No. It comes in the table of 4 when 4s are. Right? So it is repeating. If you see the number, same number is repeating, you will stop there. So what are the factors here? We'll write down factors of 16 are. We'll start from here. 1, 2, 4. 4 is same. So we'll write down 8 and 16. These are the factors of 16, and this is the method how to find out the factors. Right, now let us understand what we observe, or you can write, there's another way also. Instead of framing this, you can write down directly. For example, let us find out the factors of 24. Okay, it comes in the table of 1 when 24s are, we can write down like this. It comes in the table of 2 when 12s are, in 3 when 3 8s are, 4 6 are, 5 no, 6 yes, it comes in the table of 6, but it is already there. So these are the factors of 24. Now let us observe this. Now what we have observed here, first thing which I observed is factors are limited, right? They are not unlimited, they are limited. Limited means they are fixed, right? Like factors of 16, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 factors of 16 are there. Can you find out another any other factor? No. So that is why factors are limited, they are countable. Like multiples, they are unlimited, uncountable, right? Next thing we observed is the smallest and the greatest factor. The smallest factor is 1, or we can say 1 is a factor of all the numbers, right? Because in 1 all the numbers can come in the table of 1. So we can write down that 1 is a factor of all the number. Second thing is the smallest factor is 1, and the greatest is number itself, right? If you see this example, we can see the smallest is 1 and the greatest is the number itself. Here also the smallest factor is 1 and the greatest is 24. So if somebody asks you find out the smallest and the greatest factor of say 89, that will be 1 and 89 only. The smallest is 1 and the greatest is 89. Clear? And one more thing which we observed is factors are either equal or smaller than the given number. I hope you understood factors and multiples. So let us compare. First thing, how you find out multiples? Multiply the number and with the counting number, you'll get the multiple. And what we have observed, multiples are unlimited, factors are limited. Multiple, the smallest multiple is the number itself. Here 1 is the factor of all the number and the smallest factor is 1. Greatest factor is the number itself. We can see factors are either equal or greater than the given number, but factors are either equal or smaller than the given number. Children, I hope you understood how to find out the factors and how to find out the multiples. This concept is really important. Just keep watching. I'll discuss more about these in the next video. So bye bye. Take care. Now let us understand how to find out the common factors and the common multiples. Let us take an example here. Suppose we have to find out the common factors of 4 and 12. Right? Let us write down 14. Right? Now let us find out the factors of 14. It comes in the table of 1, 14s are. It comes in the table of 2, 7s are. It comes in the table of 3, no. 4, 5, no. 6, no. 7, yes, it is already there. So these are the factors of 14. Now let us find out the factors of 12. Here it comes in the table of 1, 12s are. In 2, 6s are. 3, 4s are. It comes in the table of 5, no. 6, yes. When? 6 2s are. It is already there. Right? So we'll stop here. These are all are the factors of year 14 and 12. Now let us find out the common. 1 is common. 2 is common. Is there any other number common? No. So what are the common factors? Common factors are 1 and 2. right? This is how you find out the common factors, right? This is really an important concept. It is going to help you in the HCF and LCM also. Now let's understand how to find out the common multiples. Let's say if they ask you to find out the two common multiples of say 12 and 15, right? We have to find out the two common multiples of 12 and 15. So multiples, first let us find out the multiples of 15. Always take the greatest number first, right? I'll make you understand within a minute how can you find out the only first multiple is important. After that, second multiple you can find out with the help of first one. How? Let's see. So here multiples of 15. 15 ones are 15 comes in the table of 12. No. 2s are 30 comes in the table of 12. No, we have to move further. 3s are 45. Again, it doesn't come in the table of 12. 4s are 60. Right? It comes in the table of 12. Yes. So here 15 4s are 60 and 60 also comes in the table of 12. Means this is our first common multiple. Right? So let us stop here and write down like this because multiples are unlimited. Right? Now let us find out the multiples of 12. Till where we have to write down? Till 60 only. So 12 ones are 12, 2s are 24, 36, 48, 5s are 60 and so on. So children, we got the first multiple, that is 60. But here they asked us to find out the two common multiple. Very simple, need not to write down any more. I'll tell you how to write down here. Two common multiples. First is 60. To find out the second common multiple, just multiply 60 by 2, that is 120. So here first multiple is 60 and second is 120. In case they ask you to find out the third multiple, what do? Just multiply first with 3, you'll get the third multiple. So your third multiple will be 180. Isn't it easy? Because you need not to write it down till 120. It will be very difficult in the exam for you to find out the second. You'll keep on writing the table, right? That will be difficult also and time consuming. So once you have taken out the first common, that will be easier for you. Take out the first common. To find out the second, just multiply this first with 2, you'll get the second multiple, and third also in the same way. This is how we can find out the common factors and the common multiples. I hope you understood, everyone. So take care and keep revising. Another topic of HCF and LCM I'm going to take in another video. So bye children.